So, how do search engines work? Whether you make a new web page on your website, or your web page is climbing up or falling down the rankings for different search terms, what is it that search engines are doing to manage where your website sits within the ranks of the billions of other pages vying for the same top spot? Despite how it may seem with all of Google's philanthropic and extracurricular endeavors, the primary technology of the company is search. Google, Yahoo, and dare I say Bing are all about taking the word or phrase you're searching for, finding all of the relevant content, and ranking it based on quality and relevance. They do all of this for you. Though no one outside of these companies knows the exact algorithms that are used to analyze web pages, we do know the general concepts. It happens in 3 steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Search engines begin by crawling your website. Google, for example, sends out Google bots, also known as bots or spiders, that travel around your pages and report back to headquarters with website details for processing. Search engines then index your website based on the details, using obnoxiously complicated algorithms to distinguish which search pages and which words and phrases being searched to connect with your site. For example, the New York Times website may index for terms like breaking news or world news. The trick, however, is that no one knows exactly how these spiders analyze web copy. For example, let's say your website has this text: "It's a wild dog-eat-dog world out there, and Dwayne Dog Chapman represents an ironic success in the bounty hunting business." The first thing a spider will do is cut out punctuation, capitalization, and the like. This is called tokenizing. It leaves your text looking like this. Next, the spider filters out stop words that add no semantic meaning to the sentence. This is called filtering. This leaves your text looking something like this. Last, the spider reduces all of the words to their most basic root or stem, called stemming. This leaves your text looking something like this. This is the level of content and the keywords that spiders analyze in order to appropriately index. The last piece is that search engines rank your website against other websites indexed on the same search pages. Google takes into consideration more than 200 factors when ranking, the most important being inbound links. Inbound links are links from other sites that point back to your site. In addition to linking, search engines consider site age of great importance when ranking your website. Needless to say, site age cannot be controlled, although there are plenty of factors that can be controlled to help you bamboozle the Google bots. Controlling these factors is search engine optimization. In the next few videos, we'll finally start talking directly about what SEO is and why it's important.